Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. How we all doing today? Good morning. Bright and early, y'all. Bright and early. What's up, Just Stay Right? What's up, Light? How you guys doing? Dude, still getting weird used to this time. This time thing. Hey, that's good that you made it to a live account, man. Good job. Light, not a lot of people get there, man. Honestly, not a lot of people get there. 5 payouts is pretty impressive, Light. Good job. Oh yeah, good job, Light. Damn, guys, look at this. We freaking smacked the 30,000 yesterday. Oh man. We'll see what happens. Yesterday we had like a small sell-off at the start, and then we just like ran up massive, made new all-time highs. So we'll see. But we'll work on these Alpha Prime, Super Prime Elite challenges here. We got 3 at like over halfway. And these 2 are like under halfway. Dude, did you have like the order filled in your dream? Gotta have the order filled. Propulator, what up? Propulator, welcome to Casinator stream. Propulator and Casinator. What up? Oh yes. Yeah, we'll see how this time zone works. I still kind of like the lunchtime 9 to 11 a.m. PST, but yeah, we'll see with this time zone. New York Market Open live, brought to you in part by Populator Casinator Club. Oh yeah. Hey, we gotta do we gotta eat the baconators too. Baconators. Ver, that's a good question. I would honestly ask them. I don't know. I never got to live with Lucid. That's a good question. But good job, you got your 5th payout. Sim Fun, what up? Good morning, good morning. Oh yeah, market open in 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. Oh yes. We are live. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I think this might be the way. I think especially once we get these funded, just trade them one at a time on stream. It's just less risky overall. Yeah, you might be able to still get the payout. Burr. Good job, man. Good morning, Zach. Good morning, good morning. Bright and early, guys. Alright, guys. Get ready for the next round. Well, on their thing, I think it says after 5 payouts on the same account, you get moved to live. So, I don't know. I haven't got a payout yet with Lucid. Alright. 13 seconds. Cheers. Yeah, I got my coffee right here. Bright and early. Alright. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Let's go, Mix. Let's go. Dude, Zach, I love getting my cup of coffee in the morning, man. Oh, yeah. Ready to start the day. Damn. Ver, did you request 5 payouts, or like only 4 payouts. Alright, gotta sell off. Champions are locked and loaded, boys. Gilly up, boys. Gilly up. Oh yeah, Zach. I like drinking coffee while I trade too, like when I first start. Cause I drink like 4 to 5 cups of water. And then I just drink coffee. 2 cups of coffee. Oh, the worst is like when you put like hella sugar, whole milk. Oh man. That's brutal. You're really gonna get awake. 2 shots of espresso coming up. Vern, damn. Well, at least you got 4 payouts, man. Got a cat right here. Oh man, excuse me. Yeah, I heard they have like a good payout bonuses, which is very nice. It's like an incentive for you to stay alive. Protein milk is sick. Hold on, I'll be right back. Bro, my bad. Dude, I got horrible allergies. What happened? Horrible allergies, guys. My bad. What up, Sketches? What's up, Country Boy Nail? What up? Dude, protein milk? They have like a... What's it called? Like a powder or something with it. It's like pretty good. I forgot what it's called. Doing good, Tushar. How you doing, brother? Yeah, I'm not used to this. I'm not used to trading at this time zone. Like, literally, I would literally just be waking up right now. I would literally be waking up right now. So I still gotta get used to it. But I do like the other time schedule as well. Cause like most of my trades, I'll start taking the trades like after 7 a.m. PST. But I've seen some good setups like 10-15 minutes after market open. Once it finds like a clear direction and stuff. Cause like right at market open, I can't really... It's hard for me to trade personally. Like you can get some good breakouts and stuff, but I like to wait a little bit. Good morning, Rack. Zach, yeah, getting a morning nap, yeah. Oh yeah, I took a nap yesterday. Because yesterday I woke up at 5 a.m. So I took a nap at like 1 o'clock. Like a power nap. Power naps are slept on. Nice, Tushar, let's go. Yeah, I like doing the walks too. I got my treadmill back right here, so I can go like nice walks. What's up, Ruzzy? What up? Yeah, Zach, that's why I like to wait like 10, 15 minutes. We are still falling short. What's up, X? How you doing? Oh, yeah. You could definitely catch bigger moves at market open, 100%.
Order filled.
I'll take a stab short. These are challenges, so that's why I'm trading 10 micros. I'm not gonna spend like I'm not gonna spend like a month on them. So I gotta get some progress done on these. Cause this account's down from yesterday. What up, Dan? What up, Dan? Dude, excuse me. I got horrible allergies right now. Dude, it's AI Casinator, bro. AI Casinator. Scucks, we gotta dump it. Dump it, dump it. Dude, I just popped an Allegra. Not a Viagra, you weirdos. An Allegra. Allergy pill. Oh, man. 30 points. 35 points. 40 points.
Order filled.
Feel like a little trim.
Order filled.
Alright, we're trimming 4 micros there. Nirma, what up? Good morning, good morning. Buenos dias. Nice dump coming in right here. Gonna move our stop loss to break even. $50 points. Oh shit. 60 points. The max we can make is 1500.
Order filled.
Yeah, 60 points. Look at that. Yeah, boys. First trade on stream. If you like this trade, smack the like, guys. I still gotta get used to this time zones, but like I was saying, this is like my second time streaming at this time. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Alright, stops are in profit, so risk-free. Risk-free. We got 4 micros left. Isaac, yeah. Champions, where are you at? Yeah. Champions. Nice. Make a pullback, something slight. Yeah, that was a pretty good trade. We're like pretty much instantly in profit. That was a really good trade. But the trade's not over yet, boys. Trade's not over. We're back at 50 points. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Dump it. Dump it. Yeah, dump it. Yeah. 70 points.
Order filled.
Eh. We only got 2 micros left, honestly. We're just gonna have one for the memes. Yeah. Oh yeah, champions. Oh yeah. Yeah, Ruzy, that's what I realized. Remember, scalping, yeah, scalping has been adding up really quick recently, so this is more than a scalp, yeah. So we got this guy. If we could smack 100 points, that'd be sick. But it's risk-free now. PDG, yeah, yeah, morning streams, man. Morning streams. Gotta get used to this. Oh yeah, guys, we're looking for that 100 points. Oh yeah, 100 points. 100 points, champions. Smack it! 100 points. Go, go. You're so close. Dun, 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 dun. So close, so close. Dude, that was hella close. Dude, guys, we were 4 points away. Come on. Come on. Can't be greedy. Come on. For the stream, for the stream. Go, go, go. Egg Q, don't do me dirty. Oh, no. Guys, 3 points? 3 points? 6. Dan, yeah, I'm looking for that smack, that wick. Because it usually wicks the lows. Or the highs, too. No. No.
Stop filled.
Dude, that was a banger trade, guys. That was like, at our peak, we're up 98 points. Damn. That was a banger trade. We trimmed on the way down, too. We were like instantly in profit, too. So, that was a nice trade right there, yeah. Not bad. Yeah, not bad at all. Oh, yes. Dubs in the chat. Dubs in the chat. Yeah, that was a banger first trade. And then we can work on these accounts too. I know. Yeah. So, dude, we would have smacked 100 points. See, look, I'm looking for those wicks. See, it wicks the lows. Then it pops right back up. Oh, yeah. Dude, it's been a while since we caught a big... Well, because, yeah, the afternoon session is pretty... kind of slow sometimes. Nice, champions. Nice. Grizz, what up? What up? Good morning. Good morning. Cheers, everyone. Cheers. Buenos dias. Let's go, Grizz. Good job, man. Good job. Dude, that was quite a drop, yeah. That was a good drop. Dude, this is over 200 points. We got a new 5 minute 20 seconds. See if it wants to make a new low right here. I mean, it could. Or it could just yeet. Grizz, what prop firm are you trading, man? Yeah, imagine this was a daily payout funded account. We would get like $1,000 payout. Nice. You still on the 25K accounts? All right, you guys. Skucks? 10 micros? 10 micros? Well, these are challenges, that's why. I'm like, I'm not gonna spend a month on them. That's why I'm doing 10 micros on the challenges. Because if I were doing like 2 micros, I'm like, nah. That'd take way too long. These 10 micros, you can do some damage. Nice, Chris. Yeah, the flex accounts are nice. I really like them. And you can pass pretty quick. And no consistency funded. Tushar, yeah. Tushar, you should have like a alt account like Tushar hates minis. Tushar, the best microman. He is the best microman, guys, in the chat. Yeah, that is the best microman in the house. Skucks, yeah. Well, yeah, I'm used to trading 1 mini. Sometimes I'll trade 2 minis, honestly. Like, equivalent, like 20 micros, 2 minis. But yeah, I mean, 1 mini I don't think is bad at all on the challenge. For me. Sup, Jones? What up? Thank you, Country Boy Nail. Thank you, brother. Yeah, too sharp. Yeah, you gotta have like an alt account, man. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Dan. Nice. 5 to 6 minis is crazy. Even on evals. Dude, 5 minis on even on a 150k account, it's like 2 to 3 bad trades. It's crazy. 5 minis. I remember trading 5 minis. Oh man. Dude, I ripped 5 minis on a funded account before on a 50k. And it luckily went in my favor. Oh man. Crazy times. Brand new fundeds too. Brand new. Full degen. Hey, you gotta use the excuse. Oh, it was a good setup. Yeah, it's a good setup. So it did a retrace a little bit, but then it pulled back and made a new low. Oh yeah. Like on fundeds, like now, like max is like I do like 2 minis. And that's usually if I'm up on the day first. Like I'll start with like 10, 15 micros maybe. And then if I'm up, I'll do like no, I generally start with 10 micros, and if I'm up, I'll do like 15, 20. It really also depends on how much volume there is, because like if they're like really big candles, you definitely gotta size down. 10 minis, dude. 10 minis is wild. 10 minis, a 10-point move is $2,000. Oh man. You know what's crazy though? There's people out there that are trading like 10, 20 minis on a live account. Like their own personal live account. That's wild. Dude, that's actually pretty crazy. Yeah, if you're trading that size, Yeah, just like one and done. Just like, yeah, one trade, you're done. Move on. Dan, yeah, I mean, 3 to 5 points. Yeah, you gotta stack those. Minis is crazy. I think there are some people trading more than that, like 30 minis. Yeah. Dude, the amount of stress. The amount of stress. Oh, you definitely ought to build a tolerance to that. There you go, Ver. Dude, that's what I'm trying to get to, like a personal live account. Dude, I'm not ready for a personal live account. I gotta start stacking more payouts. Which one, Skucks? They only have a consistency rule on the Lucid Flex Challenge, and the Lucid Pro Funded, and then the Direct to Funded. There's a consistency rule. They changed it. What did it get changed to? Lucid? Lucid Trading. You guys know there's a Lucid car company? Every time I see a Lucid car, I always think of Lucid. Flex them out. They changed it? It's kind of dumb. When did they change it? Because yesterday it was 50%. Damn. Major announcements. Good job, Zach. Oh yeah, dude, imagine like paying for your Lucid car with Lucid payouts. Double Lucid. Tushar, nice. Was it a good car? Peace out, Jones. Have a good day, man. Thank you for joining in. Zach, yeah, getting funded back is sometimes brutal, man. Yeah, great job, Jones. Yeah, made your money and you're going to work? It's a good day. It's a good day. Yeah, double Lucid. Dude, that'd be pretty sick. Dude, imagine we started a challenge attempting to buy a Lucid car with Lucid payouts only. They're like, damn, dude, I have so bad allergies. My bad, guys. Making my voice crack and shit. Damn, they're kind of they're like 40 to 60 grand used. It's kind of expensive, honestly, for a Lucid car. $50 grand? Holy, 50 racks? We're gonna have to start loading some 150K accounts, guys.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm gonna try a long right here. Looking for that reversal right here. Look at this staircasing pattern breaking levels up. We'll see. These are evals, guys, so we gotta play them kind of aggressive. Isaiah, we're back. We're back. Bro, they're low-key expensive. I didn't realize they're that much. The Lucid cars. Yeah, really. 50 grand for a used car?
Stop.
Damn,
filled.
we got instantly stopped out on that trade. Holy crap. Well, we only got 350 bucks left on this account now. I still like that trade, honestly. Dude, that first trade we were instantly in profit, and then this trade we were instantly in drawdown. Wow. Dude, we got bottom wicked. Dude, we got bottom wicked. Lucid car. Attempting to buy a Honda Fit with payouts only. Oh yeah. Payouts only. Damn, we got bottom wicked hard on that shit. Alright, we got a new hour in 3 minutes. Like this account, for example, like we only have 350 bucks left now, so it's like kind of just gotta go for it on the challenge, really. That's what I'm saying, guys. Yeah, looking for that reversal right here. I still like that trade. I think we just needed a better entry, honestly. Yeah. Dude, we should do a challenge, though. Kind of a challenge. Big comeback. Grizz, yeah, I like that trade still, yeah, but it's just a bad entry. Yeah, see? Look at that, guys. We would have been in profit. Bad entry, bad entry. That first trade, though. Fire. Yeah, we should wait for the new hourly, too. It's in 2 minutes. Zach, yeah, hey, you made back your losses, man, so that's good. Yeah, Gers, we had a big sell. Like, yeah, this is over 200 points. Almost 300, like 250. Skuggs, this is the one and only Alpha Superior Elite Bootcamp Premium Prime accounts right here. Yeah, Alpha Prime. Super Premium Prime. Alpha Futures Prime Eval. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Yeah, I think that's what these are stand for, yeah. Super Premium, guys. Fiji water only. When you're trading these accounts, Fiji water only. Because they're premium. Super Premium Prime. Elite Prime. They have to use like all these big ass words too. Oh, super premium. Oh my gosh. Huh? Wow. Look at this guy. Oh, man, we got a big shot over here, guys. Oh. But I loaded up on 25K accounts the challenges for the Take Profit Trader because they had 50% off and it ended yesterday. $75 is not bad. So we gotta work on those too. Alright, we got a new hour in 12 seconds. Yeah, we had really good sales last week. A lot of 50% offs. Hey, Daily Day Trade. Good morning, man. What up, brother? How you doing? Glad to see you back. Alright, we got the new hour right here. Okay, guys. 7 o'clock. This is the normal time. I would literally just be hopping on the screen. Like, I would literally get my cup of coffee and walk to the computer right now. And then look for my first trade. Right now. Wake up, Case. We got wake up. No, that's not a dumb question, Zach. I try to get it done in 3 days, Zach. Honestly, I try to. Like anything over $1,000, I just stop. But dude, my current set right now, it's been like back and forth. I literally get it to like 2 grand, goes back to 1 grand, 2 grand, 1 grand. I'm like, oh, a bunch of ping pong. Yeah, the 3 days is it's annoying, but it's not too bad because anything over $1,000 for the 50K, I just stop because you can clear it in 3 days. $3,000 days, anything above, and I'm just done. Isaiah, yeah, the 25K accounts are pretty slept on. Yeah, a lot of people in here get good payouts with them. A lot of people in here trade them, and then I always trade the 50Ks, and I was like, shit, I'll try the 25K accounts because Take Profit Trader has the best drawdown ratio because it's like a $1,500 profit target with a $1,500 drawdown. Where with like the other firms, you only have like $1,000 in drawdown and like $1,250 profit target or $1,500 profit target. So they're a 1-to-1. And then for the 50K account, like compared to them, it's only $500 more in drawdown, and that's literally it. So you can clear the buffer faster, and you can pass, and it's half the pass. So instead of 3 grand to pass, you only have to make 1,500, which is kind of a big difference. That's half. And the max contracts you're only allowed is 3 minis, but it's like 3 minis that's a lot for a 25K account. That's pretty much one bad trade if you think about it, especially with trailing drawdown. Yeah, that's one bad trade. Yeah, I don't like the 40% consistency rule. It's just annoying for me. Like I deal with it and try and get it done, but I love the 50% because you can just get it done in 2 days or something. But the 40%, it's like the next best, other than like 1 day pass. The annoying ones are freaking 30%. Oh man, I hate 30%. Oh, those are so annoying. First day on the live account, you're up 3 grand, bro. Oh, dude, that's a great Wednesday, man. Call it a day. You're done. Isaiah, yeah, that's literally a 1-to-1, so it's pretty good. It's like really good. They probably had like the best 25K account. Yeah, that's pretty solid. Zach, yeah, the Tradeify Select are pretty good too. Their end of day drawdown, daily payouts, pretty nice. Oh yeah, pretty solid. Yeah, I actually really like the daily payout propfirms for my trading style, particularly because I'll have big days, and then I'm like, I literally just have to stop trading, and then I have a payout end of day. Where with I like the flex accounts, but like let's say I have a banger day, yeah, but then I'm like, okay, now I need 3 winning days of $150 now, so the payout's still not locked in. It's not protected yet. Until you get those winning days, then you get the payout. Where with the daily payouts, I'm like, I literally just gotta stop, and then I got the payout in my bank. Zach, yeah, on the 50K account, it's $1,000 per day. So yeah, if you get 5 accounts, $4,500 a day after the fees. Zach, yeah, same day, yeah. You get it really quick. Hey, Zach, good job on that payout, man. Zach, you're officially a champion funded trader right now. Oh, yeah. I gotta reload on my coffee. I'll be right back. 1 minute. All right, we're back champions. There you go, Scucks. Longs look not bad, yeah. We gotta see. Zach, yeah. I know what you're saying, man. Yeah, I hated my first job. It wasn't that bad, but like the pay wasn't the best. It wasn't that great. Everyone there was pretty cool, but yeah. I'm like, I don't know. I like this. I like being my own boss. I don't know. I've always liked this. Ali, what up? Yeah, we'll see. Hey, Beyond Lou, what's up, brother? What's up, guys? Yeah, when we're trying out the market open, we tried it yesterday and today. Not too bad. I still gotta get used to it. I do like the later streams as well, the 9 to 11 a.m. PST. But we'll see. Yeah, we'll see with these early streams, yeah. Because everyone's used to me, like, streaming later. Zach, yeah, that's just... Oh, we just got a big dump on that candle. That's the scary part, yeah. Because it's, like, uncertain, and then you have to worry about it. Yeah, that was a big dump, yeah. Big dump. Ollie, yeah. Trump's talking after 1 hour. Mr. Trump, yeah, Mr. Trump. Zach, yeah, that is true. But I'll be honest, Zach, going full-time trading, I'll be honest, it's pretty stressful. I'm not going to lie. I mean, I'm just being honest. It's pretty stressful at times. Because now you have to rely on trading for your income. That's the only thing. Got out the trucks to trade. Nice, Nell. Yeah. My dad was a truck driver, too, for years. It's tough, man. You're just driving all day. The big rigs and stuff. Dude, the big rigs are kind of scary because, like, when it's, like, really windy and it's, like, a 50-foot, like, you know, truck and shit, it's just, like, a plain wall in the wind. You could feel it, like, push the truck. That is very doable, Zach, yeah. Zach, yeah, you just gotta have the mindset, man. You do have that mindset, like, hey, if I could do it, like, it can be done. Oh, yeah, Ollie, yeah. 10 years, Zach, damn. Well, Zach, if you're used to real estate and, yeah, you have to rely on commissions, trading's kind of like same concept, kind of. Yes, sir, brother. Yeah, that's why I like you guys. We all have, like, good mindsets, man. I really like it. Well, we looked like we were making a reversal, but we just completely rejected and came right back down near the lows. We shall see. Okay, we're up a band on this one. This one's at halfway, so that's good. This one is break even, but we only have $300 left, so that's why I'm kind of like, I'm just going to kind of go for it. 350 bucks is not a lot on a challenge. These ones are over halfway. This one's $2,000. This one's 2,100. This one's 1,900. So we technically could pass these today if we take a good trade. We shall see. We shall see, champions. We cannot focus on the number. Focus on the good setup. Defense. Done. Defense. Zach, yeah, that's the thing. Like, bringing in consistent payouts, yeah. 100%. So that's why it's good that you rotate, like, prop firms. Like, let's say you have, like, daily payouts on 4 firms. You know, if you do lose, like, 2 firms, 2 groups, you still got 2 firms, like, bringing in money. I think that's the name of the game, honestly. Like, just consistently bringing in payouts. They don't even have to be big, just, like, small numbers. And that's, like, hard for me to realize at times, too. Like, just, like, Casey, just take the damn payout. Like, what are we doing? Why are we being greedy? There's been numerous times where I had payouts locked in, and I got freaking greedy. Trying to get a bigger payout. Oh, man. I'm like, why? Why, Casey? Why? You're all pissed off. But hey, it's a lesson, man. It's a lesson. Yeah, driving can be very stressful, man. Especially like the trucks and stuff, the big rigs. Yeah. Also, like, people don't respect you when you're driving. Like, a lot of people will cut you off and, like, cut in your lane, try to go ahead of you because they don't like being behind a big truck. Double liquidity sweep, turtle soup. What's up, Tommy? How you doing, brother? Zach, yeah, that'll be a good goal, man, honestly. Yeah, because when I've been watching, like, interviews of, like, good traders, yeah, they don't copy trade, like, every single firm together, like, one big batch. They do it, like, by firms. So they copy trade, like, Lucid together, have 5 accounts with them, 5 Tradeify, 5 MyFundedFutures, 5 Top Step, and then they just, like, rotate the firms. So, like for example, like, pretend this is, like, one firm. Okay, well, 5 accounts, we copy trade. All right, 1 trade, done. Boom, we're up $1,000. Look, we stop and we move on. This group, oh, we're down 770, but the account's still alive. But hey, we're still up on this one. And then, oh, let's go to this firm. So, you know, it's like less risky that way. Farah, what up? Oh, yeah, $100. Yeah, I mean, you just stack them up. Yeah. $100 days, man. $100 days add up. What's up, man? How you doing, man? Ruzi, yeah. Just like I said, it's just very stressful. It is stressful. Yeah, you do have more, freedom with trading, but I'll be honest, guys. Like, it is pretty stressful when you go full time. That's why, like, if you guys do go full time, definitely have like a buffer and cushion of like your living expenses. I recommend that. Some people don't, and I'm like, that's even more risky and sketch. Like, let's say you're like, oh, I'm quitting my job, and I only have like a month's worth of living expenses saved. Well, what if you have a losing month? Well, now you're up shit creek without a paddle. Okay, well, shit, I got bills to pay. I got rent, I got food, I got this. That's why, like, yeah, I don't know, like 6 months of living expenses. So worst case, you know, you're going a losing streak, which will happen on trading. You know, your living expenses cover for like 6 months at least. That's just my opinion, not financial advice. But, you know, it's just more safer that route. That's what I did. I just had a cushion and I had another source of income coming in. And it becomes a lot less stressful that way, guys. Yeah. Yeah, just get consistent and bring in daily payouts, guys. Tommy, good job, brother. Tommy, base hits stack up, man. Oh, yeah, exactly, yeah. It's tough. It is. Like, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm not gonna, like, pretend, like I do this full-time with the YouTube. I'm not gonna pretend, like, oh, it's super easy. Oh, this is the dream life. Like, I'll be honest. It's hard at times. Like, I have bad days, you know? It's tough. I'm not gonna be like, oh, look at me drinking my sparkling Fiji water. Oh, life is so great with my new Rolex. Like, nah, guys, it's hard. Ali, it depends. I usually get like a 10% commission with most firms. So if you buy like $100 account, I get like $10. I like how you guys like each other. Yeah, yeah. Ruzy, that'll be fun, man. New York City. FedEx driver, dude. You might get a lot of steps in, huh, Ruzy? Yeah. How many steps a day do you guys get? For a delivery driver. Because all my delivery drivers are all in good shape. Because, dude, they're walking a lot. They're going up and down the stairs a lot. Let's go, Skunks. Good long. Shout out to Apex for the Cancun trip, yeah. Thanks, propfirms. You're the best. Cancun. 20,000 is crazy, Ruzy. Oh, man. 20,000 plus a day. Hey, at least you get your steps in, man. That's good. Damn, that's a lot. 20,000 a day. We're kind of just chopping around right here now. Yeah, we had a good sell-off right there. Really good sell-off. But now we're kind of just forming a range, kind of. We'll see. Kind of chopping around a bit, guys. Dude, I have a love-hate relationship with trading. Like, there's days where I'm like, dude, this is awesome. I love this shit, dude. Awesome. And then some days I'm like, what the hell am I even doing this for? Like, oh my gosh. Yeah, if you guys don't have days where you think about quitting, oh man, you haven't traded enough. Even recently, like, guys, this month, May, I'm like, what the hell am I even doing? But then I'm like, I'm very blessed. And I gotta think about the bigger picture. The bigger picture, guys. Bigger picture. Yeah, it's a love-hate relationship. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, dude. Oh, it feels good when you get payouts. Oh, yeah. When you're getting payouts and you're not buying accounts. Oh, man. Well, when you have no funded and then you're buying the challenges and you're just trying to get them funded, and then you blow the challenges. Oh, man. I'm like, what the hell is even this? Too sharp, 100%, man. Yeah. Oh, yeah. But I'm like, I'm too deep into this. I'm too deep. We're too deep, guys. We can't quit. It's not a failure if you don't quit. Yeah, I hate challenges. I hate challenges. I hate them. I just want them getting done and funded. And then with the challenges, like, you size up more to try to get it done, and then that's prone to what? Yeah, you could pass them quicker, but you could also blow them quicker. And generally, damn, we got this. Look at that volume on that candle. Jeez. This is a big red candle too right here. A lot of volume. There you go, Dan. Never give up. Yeah, dude. Yeah, this month was bad for me. I was like, I blew a lot of challenges. I was like, fuck, dude. I'm like, what am I doing? Last month, oh man, I was like, oh, dude, this shit's, I love this. Dude, getting payouts. This month, I'm like, damn, bro, what happened? What happened? Yeah, too sharp. March was a tough month, yeah. The Dow's pumping. Oh, man. Yeah, we never quit, guys. Never quit. Never give up. Never give up. Timmy! What up, man? Yeah, we're trading to New York. We're seeing how it goes. Market open yesterday and today. Ruzi, yeah. Yeah, you definitely got to eat more if you're skinny, man. Because 20,000 plus steps, yeah, you burn a lot of calories from that. I mean, you're just constantly moving. Which is good for you. Like, you're good for your body. But yeah, you will lose. If you're a skinny guy, yeah, you lose a lot of weight. Because I try to get 10,000 steps a day. Jeez, what's this candle? Yeah, that's literally trading, yeah. That's literally trading. Guys, talk about sedentary. I woke up today. I'm only at 595 steps. We got 9,500 left today to go. Yesterday, I was really disciplined, and I woke up at 5 a.m. and I walked for 40 minutes. So when I hopped on stream, I was already at like 4,500, 5,000 steps. And then when I woke up early today, I was a little lazy. I slept in a bit. I was like, no walk today. No walk in the morning. I looked at my treadmill. I was like, nah. Guys, I got to lock in. I got to lock in. Lean season. Yeah. Hey, Ruzi, you're in shape for the summer then, man. Oh, yeah. 20,000 steps a day. Summertime, boys. Gotta lock in. You're delivering right now? Bro, that'd be kind of sick if you're like, yeah, you're delivering packages, and then you have Casinator's live stream right there on your thing. Base hits. Damn, Tommy, that calendar's looking nice. That's a lot of green, Tommy, yeah. Nice. Tommy, that's a nice calendar, man. Very nice calendar. Oh, yeah. Yeah, are we dumping now, or just like it's gonna pull right back up? That's pretty sick. Bro, you're watching while delivering? Oh. Oh, yeah. Focus. We gotta focus. Lock in. Dude, it's approaching the lows of the day. We could smack it. Look at a big red candle coming in. Guys, we only got 350 bucks left, so we gotta take a... We got one trade. We got one trade in the chamber. $20 minutes to next stop. Let's go. Beyond Limits, yeah. Yeah, I saw some family this weekend. It was pretty nice. So on Saturday, I went fishing with my brother and my friend. And we caught 6 bass. It was pretty sick. And then Sunday, spent time with my girlfriend's family. We had a nice barbecue. Then Monday, I went to like my aunt's house and had dinner with them. It's pretty nice. Pretty chill. Yeah, it was a good weekend. How about you, Beyond Limits? 2 different routes. Damn, yeah. I want to get to the point in my trading where I literally just take like 1 or 2 trades and I'm done in like within an hour. Like I'm done within an hour and I just go on about my day. I want to get to that point in trading. But when I have like a lot of accounts, it's kind of hard doing that. There you go, Dan. Good job, man. Nice job, Dan. Green ass tractor. Overtake his ass. Nah. Leave the tractor alone. Oh, yeah. Good job, Skucks. Nice job, man. Media, yeah, pretty much. Just literally my trading screen, really, honestly. Yeah, a lot of people, they don't understand it, yeah. Yeah, because you have, like, trading view and, like, other stuff up here. But for me, I just trade on this. I just trade price action, and I pretty much just scalp, really. I like this. I've always liked it like this. But, like, on this screen, I have the chat. Like, I got the chat right here for the YouTube. But pretty much, yeah. Oh, yeah, Dan. It's moving. We broke the lows, guys. We're going lower. That's what I'm saying, Country Boy, yeah. I want to get to that point where I literally take, like, 1 to 2 trades, and then I'm done. I literally go on about my business and do whatever I want. Because lately, I'll be honest, I've been, like, over trading a lot because it's, like, so many accounts, and it gets stressful at times where I'm, like yesterday, for example, I'm like, dude, after stream, I was still trading, and I'm like, dude, I'm freaking tired, bro. I'm like, I shouldn't even be trading. Just trying to pass other accounts. And then I'm like, you get a headache and shit. And you're just like, oh my gosh. Yeah, that would be nice. But then it's like, it's too risky putting all the accounts in one big group and taking like one trade. Because if you blow it all, you blow everything. So I'm trying to find like a balance. Like a balance. I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out still. Thank you, Zach. Yeah, I try to do my best, yeah. Yeah, because also streaming and then trading at the same time, yeah, it can be a little... It's not that stressful for me because I got used to it. But at the beginning, it was like... I just had to get used to it is what I'm saying, yeah. Now I'm pretty used to it. Yeah, I like talking to you guys. Tommy, yeah. 2 firms is a lot because, I mean, yeah, that's 10 funded accounts. And then if you're not buying challenges and then you're getting payouts and keeping those accounts alive, you're just in profit, which is really nice. That's what I'm saying, Beyond Limits. Like, yeah, sometimes at the end of the day, like, I'm just, like, hella tired. And I'm like, I'm freaking tired. Like, I don't even want to do anything. Where that's bad. That's like a 9 to 5. We don't want it to be a 9 to 5. We want trading to be freedom. Zach, I used to play a lot of Call of Duty and stuff in Battlefield in high school, but and then like Fortnite, when Fortnite was popping off, but recently I haven't been playing any games, man. I played Fortnite like a couple weeks ago for the first time in a while. The no builds. I gotta play that again. Yeah, Country Boy, yeah. It's less stressful, too. And then you're not spending as much as long as you keep those accounts alive. Zach, yeah, that's what I think is the best, yeah. 8 a.m. Eastern. 8 a.m. PST. Yeah. Yeah, because you can still catch really good moves before then. You should be done, yeah. No, yeah, guys, there's some days where I'm literally trading from like 7 a.m. pretty much market open to like power hour, and I'm like, dude, this shit is tiring, man. Like, because you take your best trades, like, I take my best trades like generally in the first hour or two, and then after that, you're just like mentally fatigued and stuff. Be honest, I gotta add you, bro. I haven't played in so long. Yeah, I gotta add you, man. I haven't played Zero Build in a while. Dude, that shit is... It was fun when I played, though. Yeah, I gotta hop on with you guys. Dude, we should get a squad going. A Fortnite squad. Tommy, that's good discipline, man. That's very good discipline, yeah. Yeah, it's very important to have a budget, too. Of like, oh, like max I spend this month on propfirms is like $3 grand, for example. And if you blow them, you blow them. You can't trade for next month. Zero build. Yeah, zero build is the best because all the sweats are on the building one and they go crazy, and I'm like, I can't compete with that. I'm like, I can't compete. I can't compete. They're just too try hard. Where zero build, yeah, I'm just camping in the bushes. I'm just like, I'm shooting at them, you know, no building. Build is way too hard. Yeah, I can't. They build a whole ass castle when you shoot at them. I'm like, nah. I'm like, what are you gonna do? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. 2 firms, country boy. Yeah. What's up, Manco? How you doing, man? I haven't seen you in a while. How you doing? Easy cash, yeah. I think that's I'm trying to stop over trading too. It's because it's just really stressful in the long run. Jeez, look at that dump. And then you get so tired after like 3-4 hours, and then you're not taking the best trades, and it just becomes a headache. Yeah, there's this month particularly. There's been days where I'm like, what the hell am I even doing? I'm like, why am I trading? I'm like, this is so tiring. Yeah, the little kids are on the builds too, cause that's all they do all day is they just play Fortnite. we're just casual gamers. We're just like, dude, we're trying to just trying to play some Fortnite. Manco, nice. Good job you passed the 150k accounts, man. Doing good, Fort Lauderdale. How you doing, man? Glad to see you back. Manco, Take Profit Trader, Alpha, Funding Next Bolt, and Lucid Flex. I gotta get them funded though. That's my goal this week, is to get them funded. What is this damn camera? I think we straight. Oh yeah, we're live. No problem, Manco. Deals, yeah, generally, yeah. Your first couple trades are generally the best. Yeah, 100%. Cause when you first like hop on the screen, you're like awake. Generally, you're awake. I hope you're awake. Don't trade and sleep, but like you're generally awake, and then you're mentally refreshed, and then those are generally your best trades. But then after like 1-2 hours, you know, you start getting tired. You don't think the best. Maybe that's chopping around. Yeah, it's tough. Zach, yeah, I don't have the patience for that either. Yeah, I just want to play some Fortnite, bro. It's not that deep. Put the building castles away. Nice, Fort Lauderdale. Good job, man. Glad to hear that. Yeah, I notice I sometimes go to the 150k accounts, and they're just so hard to pass too. Cause you have to make 9 grand in the challenge, and they're also double the price as the 50ks. And then I'm thinking to myself, I get like most of my payouts all the time from 50k accounts. So I'm like, why am I trying to get the 150k accounts? Greed is the enemy, guys. Greed is the enemy. Manco, yeah. They just give you the drawdown at the start. That's the annoying part. Yeah, it depends on the firm. Yeah, the night shifts can be tough. Yeah, because when you hop on the screen at market open, you're already tired because you worked the 8-hour shift or something. That's literally my brother. He works the night shifts. And then, like, he gets home at pretty much market open. So, when he trades, you know, he already worked an 8-hour shift. So, he's already tired. And then when you trade, like, it's just hard. It's hard finding a balance, really. Manco, nice. No, yeah, if you trade good with the 150k accounts, keep trading with them. But, yeah, I've noticed the 150ks, it's just hard for me to pass, really. Because you have to trade minis. And then you're more prone to blowing them. But, like, the 50ks, like, if I blow a set of 5, yeah, it sucks. $500, that's a lot, but I'll survive. But if you blow a set of 550ks, you're like, yeah, you're down like $1,000, $1,200. It's kind of a lot. That's a lot. Zach, yeah, he did really well last year. He got like 30 grand in payouts from Top Step last year. He's the one that introduced me to propfirms, my brother. And he still trades. He's trading with Top Step right now. He loves Top Step. Top Step funded trader, Michael Patak. Oh yeah, Fort Lauderdale. Dan, I'm pretty sure they just give you like the drawdown to work with, so 50k account, I think they'll give you a $2,000 drawdown account. But then if you blow the account from your previous funded, you get them you get the money back. So you can get a payout, I think, if you lose your live account, which is nice. Yeah, Zach, the Take Profit Trader, they're a good firm, but yeah, the trailing drawdown can be really tough at times, honestly. It can be tough, really. It's tough. Tommy, is that what you do for the 150k? So you just like, you just full port one at a time until you get to halfway, and then you just trade the other half like seriously? I think that might be the way, honestly, because it's less risky that way. Yeah, you'll blow a challenges, but then if you blow you're not blowing sets of 5, because sets of 5, that's like, yeah, $1,000, $1,200 at a time. That's a lot of money. Michael put scam. Michael put scam. Manco, yeah, because you get $4,500 to work with, which is a lot. Michael put scam. Yeah, what's going on with the Apex thing? I don't know. Allegedly, they're giving people just one account at the start with only $3,000 in drawdown. Which makes, if that's true, that makes literally no sense. That's a horrible live account. Dude, they should literally just put the balance of the 20 accounts in either in 5 live accounts and just split it up, or just one big live account. But I know they're not gonna do that. They're not gonna do that. But I don't know. I don't know anything about Apex. Oh yeah. 15 minis. 150 micros deep. Let's go. That's what I'm saying, Dan. People always say, oh, Apex is so cheap. $30, $30. But then they're paying $120 or $130 activation fee per account. Yeah, you're paying $160, $170. That's a lot. And then the people that get payouts with them have to wait 2 to 3 weeks for the payout to hit their bank account. That's a long ass time. That's almost a month. That's what I'm saying, man. They should offer 5 accounts, 5 live accounts, with like a big balance of your overall accounts. That's what I think they should do. One account with $3,000 in drawdown makes literally no sense. That's literally nothing. Because the whole reason Apex is good is because you could have 20 funded accounts. If you could only have 5, then it's not worth it. There's just way better firms out there. That's what I'm saying. If you're going to trade with Apex, I only recommend it if you're going to trade minimum like 10 to 20 accounts. Ideally 20. Because with other firms, you can get 5 accounts at each firm. 4 firms, that's 20 accounts already. You can easily stack 50 accounts with legit companies. Easy. Yeah, because Take Profit Trader is also 5 live accounts, which is great. Lucid's 5 live accounts. Tradeify's 5 live accounts. Yeah, that's what you need. 5 live accounts. So you can still copy trade and get that leverage. We're working there, boys. We gotta get that live account. Hold the line. Hold the line.
Order filled.
All right, we pretty much got 1 trade left. No stop loss because we only got $300 left on this challenge. We're either gonna save it or not. Yeah. Yeah, because people that get payouts with them, they're literally waiting like 3 weeks for a payout to hit their bank account. That's a long ass time. Where every single other firm, you'll get it within 24 hours in your bank account. That's what you need. So you're not stressing. 20 points. Go, go, go. 30 points.
Order filled.
Guys, look at that quick trade. We just got an extra 500. Look, we just saved that account, kind of. Look at that. Look at that entry, guys. That was a good scalp. Oh, yeah. The elevator down. That's what I'm saying, Dan. You can literally get... Because with the 50K accounts with Apex, if you pass on your first try, you're paying like $3,500, I think. $3,500. That's a lot. Where you could get like 35 accounts at other firms. Yeah, that's a lot. Dude, that's what I'm saying. 5 live accounts with a 20K buffer each. Holy shit. Daily payouts. Oh, yeah. There you go, Mix Sounds. Thank you, man. Fort Lauderdale, I used to, but lately, because I've been having so many accounts, it just depends how I feel, really. Like, this account, like, I'm done with this account. Like, no more trading on this account. Like, this one, I could take another trade, but now we're going to go on these because we could technically pass these accounts. These 3, yeah, they're over at a halfway mark, so as long as we get, like, good trades, we can pass. Yeah, and then these ones, yeah, we got $900 left. But, like, this one I'm done with. Like, this one's completely done. Yeah, I like the rotating strat, honestly. But I were to say, if you only had, like, one firm or, like, one account in general, I personally would put, like... It depends on your trading style, but I would say, like, 1 to 3 trades max and just stop. Because anything over like 4 or 5, you're just like, you just start over trading and not taking the best setups. So, yeah, I think if I'm like rotating firms on funded accounts, I would take like 1 to 2 trades and just stop. Turtle soup, turtle soup. False breakout, guys. What is a turtle soup masterclass? False breakout, guys. False breakout. false breakout. Gotta love me a false breakout, guys. Hey, we have a viewer on Kick. Thanks for watching, man. Whoever you are. Thank you. Dude, we haven't got any momentum on Kick or Twitch. We have 3 followers on Twitch and then 11 followers on Kick, though. But there's like big streamers that stream on Kick. Like TGR and Rips. And they get like a lot of viewers. They get like over 500 viewers on Kick. TGR gets a lot more. Yes, sir, Fort Lauderdale. Mohammed, no, we took a long right here. Just like a nice 25-point scalp right there. That was a nice trade. Quick trade. Skucks, yeah, false breakout. Yeah, so it looks like it's going to break out. And then it's like a false breakout, and then it comes right back up. Light, yeah, man. It's a lot less stressful too, man. I'll say. When you have less accounts, it's definitely less stressful. It is. And you're saving money. They're all bots? Damn. I didn't know they're all bots. Damn, I didn't know they're bots. So if we have like 10 viewers, we have 10 genuine viewers, yeah? Let's go. Mohammed, yeah. Micros. Right now we're trading 10 micros. Stop hunt. God bless, Isaac. Thank you as always, brother, for watching, man. Have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow, Isaac. Thank you. Yeah, we did have a big sell-off, but yeah, right now we're kind of just chilling down here. Skucks, I don't. The turtle soup, I'll be honest, we kind of just joke around about it. If I'm being 100% honest, it is a real strat, but we kind of just joke around about it. The turtle soup, but it is a legit strat. False breakout, yes, it is a legit strategy. It sucks, Turtle Power. Yeah, no, trading is very stressful, man. I'll be honest, yeah. But Turtle Power, the only way is up, man. The only way is up. Yeah, you got to rebuild and regain, and then you can bounce back, Turtle Power. Yeah, at least you tried, man. Really. Yeah, go big or go home. Mohammed, yeah, switch to the micros, man. Yeah, turtle soup strat, moon title strat, $500 cash. Oh my god. Deals, yeah, man. That is true. The only way is up, man. Crowbar, yeah. You just gotta follow your rules and have it's really hard. You just gotta have the discipline to just stop. Like when you know you're having a bad tilt day, it's like literally just walk away. Literally do anything but trading. Like literally go on a walk. I don't know. Go read a book. Take a long walk on a beach. Yeah, I like taking long walks on the beach. So peaceful and calm. Thanks, Casinator. Okay, we're kind of just chopping around right here. We're kind of just rejecting right here and then bouncing right here. Yeah, Crowbar, 100%. Yeah, because over trading is literally the enemy. It really is. I hate over trading. It works great until it doesn't work great. Everybody has a plan until they get punched in the face. Then it's like, oh shit. I just blew a set of accounts. What the heck now? Yeah, touch some grass. Grass is good for you. Lee, yeah, we got AI Casinator before GTA 6. Dude, I got bored. I just cut it off. I was like, dude, I was like, I look like a damn caveman, and I look hella scruffy. So I was like, I'm just gonna shave it off. I was like, worst case scenario, it grows back, and I actually kind of like it like clean shave. Like I can feel my face, and then the wind when I'm walking, I can feel the wind touch my face. It's kind of interesting. Where the beard, I look like a caveman. Peace out, Dan. God bless, man. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, I'll try to stream at the same time tomorrow. Yeah. Manco, yeah. Yeah, greed does kick in, honestly. Because, like, with the 150K accounts, yeah, we're like, oh, we gotta make $1,000 a day. Crowbar, yeah. Yeah, your prefrontal cortex is shot. It's done. It's overstimulated. It's tired. It needs a break. Peace out, Dan. God bless. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Have a good day. Andre, yeah. Usually it makes you look older because you're all stressed out and stuff. We got the beard. We got white hair growing. Oh, man. Peace out, Tushar. Have a great day, man. I'll see you tomorrow, Tushar. Have a great day, guys. Oh, yeah, like, exactly. Alright, oh, I'm gonna get some nice payouts here, there. Well, congratulations, your payout just got denied. Congratulations. Yeah, cortisol levels are through the roof, bro. Oh, yeah, all-time highs. All-time highs. My cortisol is at, like, full in the red zone. Yeah. Alright, we gotta do 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Simfun, get some coffee, man. We're up 1,000 on this account. This account we're down only 230. We almost blew this account. This account, these three are break even on the day. But these are over the halfway mark, guys. Thank you, Tushar. See you tomorrow, man. Stay green. Stay green, brother. Nice, Tommy. Yeah. That's a good goal, man. Because you did really well to start, Tommy. And they're already up, so yeah, anything else is just like is good, Tommy. Damn, PDG's up hella good this year. Bro's up 200K after expenses. That's crazy. That's pretty crazy. He said that he was like a wasn't he like a waiter at a restaurant? Yeah, he worked as a server in restaurants. So shout out to you, PDG, if you're still watching the stream. That's crazy. Bro's up 200 grand after quitting his job. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's crazy work. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna get some water real quick. Alright, we're back. Trading can make you very tired and stressed out. That's why I like staying hydrated with Crystal Geyser. Crystal Geyser is the best water you can possibly drink. Thanks, Crystal Geyser. Yeah, 5K is definitely achievable, Tommy. Even with like 25K accounts. Yeah, 25K accounts, Tommy. You can stack. Like, that's what I'm saying. You have to be on your A game every day. Literally every day. That's what I'm saying. It's important to take breaks because, like, even an athlete, they don't train. Well, they do train a lot, but they don't train, like, and play game every single day, 5 days a week. Like, they take breaks. Oh, yeah. Crystal Geyser, Tommy. Crystal Geyser. Manco, it's not bad, honestly, the cooldown period, because the fact that you're still able to trade with the firm after you blow the live account is good. Because, like, for MyFundedFutures, for example, if you hit the payout cap, 100K sim payout cap, and you blow your live account, you can't trade with them at all anymore. Like, you're pretty much done. You can't trade with them anymore, which sucks. Where with Tradeify and Lucid, if you got your 5 payouts, and then you blow your live account, you just gotta wait, like, 3 weeks, and then you can trade with them again, which is great. So, yeah, I actually like the cooldown period, Manco. It's not that bad, 21 days. You could literally just trade other firms at the time or just take a break. Alright, we got a new hour and 20 seconds. Yeah, walking is nice. Hey, Prophet, thank you, man. We started at 6:20 a.m. PST, so like 10 minutes before market open. We'll see. We're gonna try that for this week. But I like the 9 to 11 a.m. streams as well. Yep, every day, guys. Gotta grind it out. Han, yeah, if you blow your live account with MyFundedFutures, if you already hit the 100K sim payout caps, like lifetime with all your accounts, yeah, you can't trade with them anymore. It sucks. Like, I can't trade with them anymore. I lost my live account. So, I can't trade with them anymore. Because I already got the $100,000 in sim payout cap. And I lost a live account. You know, and that sucks, because I like the firm, and it's a good firm, and I got a lot of good payouts with them. But with Tradeify and Lucid, and also Take Profit Trader, if you do blow your live account, you can still trade with them. Take Profit Trader, you could trade right away if you blow your live account, which I think you can trade right away. But Lucid and Tradeify, you have to wait like 3 weeks, which is still not bad. Top Step, I think Top Step does not ban you, which is great. Han, I think that's just how MyFundedFutures work. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's just how MyFundedFutures works. Yeah, I wish that you could trade with them again. Like, I wish I could trade with them again, but I can't. They're still a legit firm, and they pay out, and they're great. But, like, I'm pretty much done. I can't trade with them anymore. You know, that sucks. Yeah, Top Step. Yeah, Top Step also, I think if you blow your live account, you could trade with them again. I think other firms are like that, too. It really depends on the firm. Some firms, yeah, if you blow your live account with them, you're pretty much done. Like, you can't trade with them anymore. That's what I'm saying, Han. I love MyFundedFutures, too, and they're still a great and legit prop firm, and I love them. So they're a great option if you're, like, first starting to trade. But, yeah, if you hit your $100,000 in payouts, like lifetime, and you blow your live account, you're absolutely done. The email, they basically just said, thank you for trading with us, but you're pretty much done. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what sucks about them. And they should have that on their website, because they say on their website that you're allowed to trade with them after, like, same thing, like a 21-day cooldown period. But they don't say that if you hit your 100K sim payout cap. So if you got like 20 grand in payouts lifetime and you blew your live account, you just gotta wait 3 weeks or something, and then you could trade with them again. But for me, like, I'm done. It sucks. Yeah, because that's another income, Tommy. Yeah. Those are good accounts, too. And congratulations, it's gone. Congratulations, it's gone. Profit? Honestly, no. No live account. Right now, no live account. I'm not ready for a live account. Yeah. I don't have the discipline. I'm so used to trading prop firms that when I go to a live account, it goes to shit. I'll be honest. Like it's completely different the way you have to trade a live account. Prop firms is completely different as well. And I think I got so used to trading prop firms that when I go to the live account, it's not the best, honestly. So right now in my journey, I am not ready for a live account. But prop firms, I'm gonna keep trading prop firms. Yeah. The only way I would start a live account is if I got like a lot of payouts, like 6 figures in payouts, like 6 figures profit. Then I would be comfortable starting another live account. But like right now, I'm just gonna stick to the prop firms. Paper or plastic, big dog. Hey, paper or plastic, huh? You can't trade with us? You gotta go back to Safeway. You gotta start packing groceries, buddy. Back to the gulag. Manco, I think they're solid. But I think Lucid and Take Prop Trader are better. Tommy, yeah. Yeah. Guys, yeah, if it wasn't for the prop firms, I'd be up shit creek without a paddle, honestly. Like, if I was still trading the live account with options trading, I'd be at the grocery store saying paper or plastic, guys. It'd be bad. Yeah, so thank God for prop firms. Han, I'm not sure with Alpha. I'm not sure with them. I'm not sure. Dude, daily day trade, I think we are, low-key. We're just making lower highs and just making lower lows. Paper or plastic? The cat wants to trade. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because if you think about it, even if you started a live account with 2 grand, in order to make 2 grand profit, you need to double your account size. And that's a lot of risk, which is unrealistic for a live account. To make double your account size, it's just unrealistic. You pretty much have to way over leverage. Where with a prop firm, I can get a 50K account for $100. Lucid, $70 with the 50% off discount. $70. And I could turn that $2,000 drawdown account into a $2,000 payout off a $70 investment. Where with a live account, you know how hard that is to double your account size and the amount of risk where you're gonna probably blow the account. Yeah, you might do good and make a grand or two over leveraging, but then in the long run, you will blow that account at that rate. Daily day trade, it's not bad. It's not bad. I still gotta get used to it for sure. Definitely still gotta get used to it, but yeah, still not bad. That's what I'm saying, like, yeah. 1 year in and then, yeah, you're good to go. Some people are getting big payouts. Yeah, margin requirements, and then 2 grand on live account is literally nothing. You gotta trade micros. Peace out, Zach. God bless. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Have a great day, Zach, as always. Yeah, props are the best all the way, honestly. Yeah, hon, I agree. Because, yeah, $2,000 is just kind of unrealistic for a live account. Unless you're trading, like, what, like 1 to 2 micros? Maybe. But, yeah, even in order to make $1,000, you need a 50% of your account balance increase, which is a lot of risk for a live account. You know, a profit, you know, $70 investment. Oh, I got a $2,000 payout. Yeah, like they have like long-term and short-term tax benefits, so it works favorable for a live account on futures. Yeah, day trade, because yeah, right now we're just chopping right here. Yeah, you're right. Because yeah, we took almost a 100-point trade on that first trade. Very nice right there, like instantly in profit. Profit, I know, that would be crazy. If we didn't have profits right now, guys, we'd all be at the grocery store saying paper or plastic. It'd be bad. It'd be really bad. Fries in the bag, big dog. Fries in the bag. Gold, yeah. Gold. Han, yeah, it's because the amount of people that blow accounts, man. Yeah, a lot of people blow a lot of accounts, which is pretty crazy. Because, guys, you could get a $100 account and turn it into a $2,000 payout. That's just one payout. If you keep that account for 3 to 5 payouts, imagine the ROI on that. You turn a $100 investment into, let's say you get 5 payouts, which people have. Light got one, and then what's his name? Someone else got one too this morning. Five payouts on one account. That's like a 40-50x ROI, and then they get a live account that they can also get payouts with. Dude, that's crazy. Pajak, I don't know, man. I don't know if you full port. I don't know. I never been I never got a live account with Lucid, so I don't know. Profit, yeah. I blow a lot of accounts too. It's not good. Dude, if you blow a lot of accounts, I like how the profit are like, oh yeah, no problem. Keep trading. Keep jabbing, trader. You got this. Where if you're consistently getting payouts and not buying accounts, they're just like, oh well, you gotta go, buddy. You're taking too much. That's what I'm saying, Tommy. Fries in the bag. Oh yeah, profit. Gotta smack him. Gotta get those payouts, profit. Gotta start milking them. Han, yeah, it feels good, man. It was a nice little break. Yeah, I needed that, honestly. Feels good. Yeah, we are professional gamblers, guys. We are professional risk-taking gamblers right here. Guys, if you kind of think about it, the propfirms kind of act like a casino. They're the house. They don't like profitable traders. They'll put you in a live account, which is okay. You can still get payouts and make them money. They would want you to get payouts if you're in a live account, obviously. But in the sim accounts, they want you to lose. They want you to blow the accounts. We're playing in their house, and it's their rules. Yeah, we're professionals, guys. Pro gamblers here. We're professional risk takers. Well, that's the thing in trading. You gotta take risk. Which is tough. It can be tough, man. Alright, I don't know what price is doing. It looks like we are trying to sell off, but it looks like it's trying to make its way back up. Fries in the bag, big dog. Fries in the bag. Yeah, see, this is the thing about the early morning is generally we'll have a bigger move. Like, look, we had like a 200-point sell-off right here, and look, now it's just kind of chopping around a bit. Yeah, we do catch that early morning move. Yeah, no risk, no Rari, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this cat's only down 230 on the day. This guy's halfway. Yeah, he's looking pretty. We're professional money management risk takers here. Hey guys, Certified Trader here, Casey here, back with another video. Rambo, what up? Rambo's a professional risk taker. Rambo right there, he's a professional risk taker. He goes full Rambo mode. Trump is about to speak. Thank you, man. What time is he speaking? Thank you for telling me. Freaking Trump. Yeah, Rambo's a heavy hitter. Rambo, PDG, Tommy, you too, Tommy. Tommy, you're a big hitter too. Scalp a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. If Trump's speaking, I don't want to be trading. I notice when he's freaking talking, I do crap. Ramos Bruce Lee. Scalper mode, full scalp. Oh, man. Thank you, Rambo. Hey, Brian, congratulations on that payout, man. First payout, guys. Congratulations to Brian. Shout out to Brian, man. Good job, Brian, for keep going, brother. I'm proud of you. Yes, sir. Got his first payout. Let's go. In the Discord, guys. In the Discord. Post in the Discord. All you guys. Oh, yes. Today's Wednesday. It's Wednesday, my dudes. I'm trying to find Trump speaking. Yeah, one trade a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. Thank you, Rambo. God bless, man. Yeah, you're killing it too, brother. Yeah, take profit trader. It's end of day on the eval, but on the funded account, it's trailing drawdown until you hit the buffer. So until you hit the buffer, then it stops trailing. And then once you're at the buffer, you can start taking daily payouts. Let's go, Brian. Damn. Brian, you got the rapid accounts, brother? That's crazy. Good job, man. See, guys, look. If you got a daily payout prop firm, you can get your first payout quick. Good job, Brian. Proud of you, man. 5 payouts. Let's go. Damn. Get him, Brian. Hey, one trade a day keeps the gambling away. I like that, man, Co. That's true. Guys, that is true. Guys, we don't want to be degenerate gamblers. We just want to be professional risk takers. Yes, the big difference, guys. Big difference. You don't want to be a degenerate gambler, injecting peptides. You know, you don't want to be like that. You know, you're gonna eventually put the fries in the bag. But you know, one trade a day. You just take creatine. You know, there's a big difference there, guys. Slight, subtle differences. Yes. Oh, yes. Dude, that's freaking crazy, Brian. Guys, look at that. Look at that ROI. $65 per account, yeah? Like, what, 190 bucks on 3 accounts? Turn that into $5,000. $190 investment turned into $5,000. Dude, I love prop firms. I love them and I hate them at the same time. When I'm doing good and getting payouts, oh, I love trading. When I'm blowing accounts, I'm like, damn, why am I doing this shit? Rosie. Hey, maybe they're being healthy, man. Maybe they're being conservative. They're not eating the fries because they're trying to lower their carb intake, man. Yeah. Who knows? Just take the bag. Take the bag. No problem, Brian. Good job. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, yeah. Live. We are live. I think Trump is live. Oh no, he's not live yet. Yeah, I don't want to be in a trade when he's live. It's loading. Hey, finance juice. Financial juice. Trump participates in cabinet meeting 11 a.m. Eastern. Ooh. Dude, man, cause that'll be over OP, man. Do you imagine having 5 take profit trader live accounts with freaking like a good buffer? Oh my gosh. Profit? Definitely a truck or SUV. I'm definitely leaning towards an SUV. I don't know which one though. My dream car was the Mercedes GLE Coupe, but I don't know. I'm kind of over it. I don't know. It's a cool car, but they're so expensive. It's like 60 grand for a used SUV. I'm like, that's so much money for a used car. 60 grand. I'm like, I can get a brand new SUV for like half the price, 30 grand, 40 grand, with a decent SUV. So I definitely am leaning towards an SUV, but we'll see. Hey guys, once you get 6 figures in payouts, alright, just gonna put a down payment on a Lamborghini Urus. Start ripping courses. God bless, Brian. I love that for you, man. Thank you, bro. That's awesome to hear. Leonard, yeah, I have a problem with that too. Is I love take profit trader, but they have no consistency in the funded, so you do get greedy. I do get greedy at times as well. It's just like you want more. It's hard, man. Leonard, if you want daily payouts, I would go with I made a video about it. The MyFundedFutures Rapid, Tradeify Select daily payout, or the FundedX Bull are good options. Brian, they're good if you want live accounts, so you could get 3 live accounts with them. So they only pay you out with live accounts, so they're pretty good for their live program. So you can still copy trade 3 live accounts. It's pretty nice. Manco, yeah, I like the Coupe. It's pretty nice, the GLE. But yeah, the same thing. They're just really expensive. And I can't imagine the maintenance on that as well, on a used Mercedes with like 40, 50,000 miles on it. Oh man, that's gonna be a lot. That's what I was thinking. I'm like, I don't know. It's kind of expensive. Yeah, the BMW X6 is also a great one. Awesome, Brian. I love to hear that, man. Straight to the gulag, country boy. Yeah, you're banned. You're out of here. Good to see you too, Varin. How you doing, man? I'm doing great. Leonard, no problem, man. Yeah, I have a problem. That's good that they have no consistent funding. I'm not complaining. It's just user error. Like I get at my times, I get really greedy at times, and I'm like, I want a bigger payout, and I'm like, dude, if I literally just stopped, I would have had the payout. It's crazy. Brian, there you go. Tradecopia, yeah, with Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures Rapid accounts, you can have 10 funded accounts daily payouts. Manco, Dubai? They probably are cheap in Dubai. Dude, I don't know anyone in Dubai. I like California. It's pretty chill here. It is expensive, but I like it here. I also got family here. I don't know anyone in Dubai. I was thinking that too, like my girlfriend. Like we were thinking of like places to move out of state. Like, but when they were thinking about it, like we literally don't know anyone. Like in other states, yeah, you can get it cheaper and everything, and really good property for like a lot cheaper than California. But it's like we don't have any family there. They're all here. Profit, yeah. Yeah, we would literally feel like broke. We would literally be saying fries in the bag. No, paper or plastic at there. Yeah, in Dubai. Yeah, Clarence, that's what I heard as well. There's no tax. They're in Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico. Yeah. A Lamborghini Urus in Dubai is literally the equivalent to like a Honda Fit. They're like, oh, it's just a Urus. Ugh, what is that? Yeah. A Mansory Urus, though. 1 of 500 or something. Mansory Urus. Ooh, whoa, now you're talking. Mansory Urus. There's like videos of people, cars in Dubai, of just like supercars just sitting with a bunch of dust on them because the owners don't really care. I'm like, dude, you literally have like a $300,000 car just sitting there. $300,000 for a car. I'm like, holy crap. Shit, 300 grand for a car. Yeah, let's all move to Dubai, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Rather moving to Dubai or to a Miami penthouse? Yeah. That is the way. He's still not live yet. Damn, he's hella late. Brian, I've been good. Right now, I'm just trying to get my funded accounts back, dude. I lost them all. So I'm just grinding this week trying to get them all funded back. But yeah, I've been doing pretty good, man. The oil money different. Yeah, they're making good money on the oil. There you go, Ruzi. Unless you have your girl and baby, man, honestly. That's all you need, man, really. But it's nice to have other family here, too. Because we both have family here, my girlfriend and I. Not me and my girlfriend. My girlfriend and I, actually. Yes, proper grammar. Thank you. Skux, apparently Trump is. You know, talk about Iran. Vern, I'm not sure, man. I haven't done options in a long time. Yeah, so I'm not sure, Vern. You have to do research on that. Yeah, I don't. I stopped messing with options back in 2023. Oh man, a lot of memories with the options. Oh yeah. New York City, they say it's pretty similar to like San Francisco. Yeah, we're just shopping around, guys, because Trump's about to talk or whatever. Yeah. Manco, I would say futures with propfirms, particularly futures trading with propfirms. But futures trading, I think, is exactly like more real trading. That's exactly what I was looking for. Like, if I enter a long right here and then I put my stop loss to break even, if it comes to break even, it literally stops me out at break even. Where with options trading, if it goes in my favor and then comes back to break even though it's at my break-even price, my entry, I'm down on the trade because of the volatility, all the Greeks, all the IV crush, time decay, all these things you gotta theta, all that you gotta worry about all those things. So with options, particularly the low expiration dates, you would need to move to be quickly in your favor. Like if you took a short up here with options, you'd be making bank. You'd be making good money if you took a short up here, like on our first trade. That would be a lot more in the options. But if you're in an options trade in this chop, it's going down, break even, up, down, break even, up, down. You're just losing money over time. So I like futures, especially with propfirms, honestly. Skunks, yeah. We did crack the 20. I mean, it's so weird saying that now. We did crack the 30,000s here. We did break it yesterday. It made new all-time highs. But now we're back in the 29,000s, just barely. I don't like all this all-time high crap. I don't like it. Alright guys, I'm going to call it right here. This is a nice stream, 2 hours. So we took 3 trades, I think. We took a very nice first trade. Because right now we're just chopping around, honestly. And Trump's about to speak. And those are 2 things that I don't want to trade with. So appreciate y'all for always watching. So yeah, a nice stream for 2 hours. So this first trade, we caught a nice almost 100-point trade at our peak. And it came up. So we were trimming on the way down. So we got some nice trade. A nice short like around here, I think. Instantly in profit pretty much. And then this account we almost blew, and then we got saved, so we're only down $230. We got $900 to work with. So yeah, not a bad day, not a bad day. These accounts are still untouched. Who knows, we'll see what happens. Clench, yeah, exactly. Yeah, if the options trade goes in quickly in your favor and comes right back, yeah, you could be down on the trade. Yeah, that's why options is like, it's just tough, honestly. Yeah, you can like really like get a good leverage, but I think you get better leverage with the propfirm, honestly. Like the ROI I'm talking about, like yeah, you could get 1 to 200% plays on options with like low expiration dates, but like the risk of you like losing in the long run is like kind of high. Like where with the propfirm, I could buy 5 50K accounts and get a 10 grand payout off a $500 investment. That's pretty crazy. Alright guys, appreciate you as always. God bless. I hope you all have an amazing day, and thank you for watching the stream as always. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. So yeah, everyone have a blessed, amazing day. Don't overtrade, don't over leverage, go touch some grass. And yeah, so peace out everyone. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time tomorrow.